Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Eastern Europe and a neighbor to Russia: Belarus, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, and Moldova. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Ukraine, 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 Ukraine. Ukraine is rich in fertile soil and agricultural products. And it's also known for its vibrant culture and history, with significant contributions to literature, music, and art. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Ukraine, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.